Hello everyone, my name is D. Prasad Reddy. Now we are going to discuss about variables and its declaration using various keywords. Variables are containers for storing data. Variable are user variables use different keywords like where, let, and const. The where keyword was used in all JavaScript code from 1995 to 2015. The where keyword should only be used in code written by old coders. Here we have written variable declaration using three different keywords: variable, let, and const. But in these three cases, output is same. So we can use any variable for basic operations. We should use variable, let, and other keywords where when we always declare variables, and if we use const, the value should not be changed. And if we use let, we cannot use const. We can use only one keyword at a time. And we can also not change the value once it is assigned for the same variable. Now, arrays. We are going to discuss about creating and accessing array elements. An array is a special variable which can hold more than one value. Using an array literal is the easiest way to create a JavaScript array. Here we can use const keyword for creating an array, and we can use let keyword for accessing array elements. While modifying the array elements, we should first create an array, and we can use push operation to add an element to array, and we can also use pop keyword to remove an element from an array. Here the array elements are denoted by courses of 0, courses of 1, courses of 2 and 3. Courses of 1 equals to CSS, so we can use console.log to print the one element in an array. Now we are going to discuss about functions. In JavaScript, function is a block of code designed to perform a particular task. A JavaScript function is executed when something calls it. Function call. You can create a function, or you can call a function by the following syntax. The call method is predefined JavaScript method. It can be used to invoke a method with an owner object as an argument. Here, as we see, the input is given here and the condition is given here. Let result equals to product.call, and the result is produced here. Now while coming to loops, we have while loop, do while loop, and for loop. In while loop, the syntax of while loop is while of condition and statements. Here while loop value is less than 6 is the condition, and if your condition is true, then output will be its value. The output will be printing its value, and we can repeat it by adding 1 each time. Do while loop. It's the same as while loop, but it does not have condition, so it can directly enter into the loop and execute the statement. And after completing every statement, it is incremented by 1. Here we took initial value as 1. After doing this, each value is incremented by 1 each time. For loop, the syntax of for loop is for of initialization, condition, and incrementation or decrementation. Here initial value of I is 0 and condition is less than 5, and increment I is incremented. So when I is 0 and less than 5, the following statement will be executed, and each time I is added by 1. Now we can discuss about creating an object. In JavaScript, an object is a collection of properties where each property has a name and a value. Objects are used to store related data and functionality together. We can create an object by using let keyword. Let person equals to name, age, and the student. Name, age, and the student are properties, and the John 30 false are its values. We can access and also modify the object properties. Like here we have created an object, and we have person.country equals to USA. Now there is no country property here, so the country property is added automatically to the object's properties. So objects properties can also be modified, and here person.age equals 31. Here age equals to 30. After executing this, after console.log person.age, the age is changed to 31 from 30. Thank you for giving this answer.